been like 2 years because of COVID. I might get a little emotional when we walk inside just because it's gonna feel so weird to be back in the normal. And it's just, I just miss this place so much, and I feel like it's my second home. Cut the camera.
Here we are, July 6th. Just kidding, July 5th, 2021. And we're here in Disneyland theme park. Yeah, it just opened after COVID. So here we are, about to go and ride all of the rides. Not only is it open, but Avengers Land, we've never been.
Campus.
Avengers Campus.
Big fan.
I'm a big fan, actually. Huge Marvel guy. So I can't wait to get on everything.
Well, you can't really ride it because we didn't get the reservation. We got the Star Wars
But we're still
reservation.
going to Avengers Campus, and we're going to be on Star Wars, the newest Star Wars ride. Guess what? We woke up. We drove at 6 phones, all on our apps.
We drove on 6 phones.
Loading at 7 a.m. and we got it. We got fast. We're riding Star Wars today.
Hi, Dustin. What is that? Where are we? So fun, yeah. Oh, that's awkward. That's awkward. Wave to him, wave. Wave, Dustin. What is that, Dustin?
The castle.
The castle, yeah.
Can I go inside of it?
Yeah, you can go inside of it.
Can I go inside of it with Daddy?
Yeah. Oh, Kelsey was your only way to go to Disneyland. I had already been, so.
Such the suck. Hi. We're at Disneyland. We're about to ride the Matterhorn. It's like a 5-minute wait.
10 minutes.
10-minute wait. The problem is we got the Star Wars ride reservation, but they're not boarding right now. So we don't know if it's even going to open, which would literally make me cry. Noah would probably kill a stormtrooper. I didn't say it.
Look, I need to finish this before we go on this.
Oh, we have 5. Ah, they see me for the first time.
Hi guys, tell us about this. Where are we, Noah?
Knott's Berry Farm. Silly.
My ears!
What did he say? Fantasyland is pretty crowded, but Thunder Mountain is only 5-minute wait, so we're going to that. Oh, there's Dustin. He's on Snow White. Should we hop in line with them? Dustin, are you gonna ride Snow White?
Tell Noah.
Are you gonna ride Snow White? Yeah? Hi guys!
Hey, I'm shorter than Kelsey.
Whoa! Oh, it smells so good in here. It smells like cookies. Dopey! Oh, look at Dopey!
It's the Infinity Stone.
Oh no! Do you guys like it?
I love that. I
Yeah.
love that. The ending was actually so much better.
This here the wildest ride in the wilderness.
I moved out of the way. I'm that kind of guy.
Yeah, you're not that guy. You're not that guy, buddy.
And every drop they would do that.
Yeah. We're in Batu. 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 Oh, it's Ray.
Great.
Good morning. Yes, of course. You say hello. Talking to you.
to me?
Oh.
What'd she say?
She said. She said.
You can keep an eye on all of them for me. You got it. Perfect. We got it. They're in charge. Remember that. Women forever.
Guys, it's the aluminum hawk.
Oh.
Wow.
That's insane.
The century medal.
All right, we're about to ride the Millennium Falcon, but I'm not gonna film because I'm gonna be driving the ship. So we'll see you guys after. Oh, get out of here! Get out of here! We'll see you guys after this ride. All right, they're gonna try the green and blue milk.
It's sour.
Doesn't like it.
Sour. I don't know how I feel.
All right, can I try it?
You like that one? It tastes like medicine.
You know what it tastes like?
Do you like a little cheer?
It tastes like one of those like popsicles that melted in a cup.
Like that one. Here, stand over here.
Like one of those like. Hey, what are the popsicles that we had yesterday called? Oh, the Rocket Pops. It tastes like Rocket Pops that are melted into a cup and then you drink it.
It really does, yeah.
It's not bad, but I just
I didn't seek it out.
yeah. It's not. It's no butter beer,
No. Which we never had.
which we never had. I had it like 6 years ago. But our boarding group is almost ready, and it's nice because we have a chance to get Spider-Man.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Any information you are trying to collect in those data scans will not help your friends in the resistance.
It's me, Tigger.
We're gonna ride Winnie the Pooh.
So excited!
Winnie the Pooh while we're waiting for the Star Wars ride. We have 20 minutes. 20 minutes for the Star Wars ride.
All right.
Ryan has a mustache.
That's right.
So does Liz. No, I'm just kidding.
We'll save you a picnic. And now this. They love it because they love it. You prize right.
What did the pirate say?
Our matey. That's right.
Our matey. Does he say yo ho?
They say, matey.
Matey. Oh, you like the camera? Oh.
Not like a.
Haha.
Yeah, we can see the pirates. You say, there he is. There's Jack Sparrow.
Gonna ride Pirates of the Caribbean.
Alright, matey. Welcome to the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Well, we got reservations for the Spider-Man ride. Half of us did,
Whatever, dude.
but half of us have the reserve group.
We're on the reserve. We know
So-
what you should do. You should cancel and we'll get the reserve.
Oh yeah, no,
Because we're for sure the only people on the reserve.
no.
Not everybody else in the park.
We're gonna ride Pirates and then we're gonna go to Toontown for Dustin
When are we going to Avengers?
when our reservation is going.
Is Avengers California?
California Adventure, yeah. And maybe we'll run into the Spider-Man show. It's kind of dark right now. Oh my gosh. The Spider-Man show, they like launch a animatronic Spider-Man across the roof. Going on, it's a small world. This is Ryan's favorite ride. It's a small world after all. No? Alright. Nathan, we're going on a boat.
We're on a boat. I don't have time.
We're gonna go to Spider-Man Chase.
I don't have it.
No, you're not. Yo, what's up with the empty boat? I want to ride the ride.
Vanished.
Boo. Dustin, are we going to see Spider-Man? Yeah! Ah!
Things around here pretty chill, so the kids can create the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes. The brilliant Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we get access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Star Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bites, for example. Check it out. They have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because
This is awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that now.
replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, shout. Could you just call someone else?
I'm going to show you how to do it, too.
We're riding my favorite ride right now. In California Adventure.
Ooh, Guardians of the
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Oh,
It's gross. Elbow in the
I do that to Kelsey all the time. And I kiss her.
Oh, kiss the boo boo.
And presto, the doors open for you.
For dinner, we went to Lucky Fortune Cooking. You like your food, buddy? Ah! I had pot stickers. I kind of went down and dirty on those guys already. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Drumming on the camera. Wow. Ah! Ryan, how's your bulgogi burrito? Wise words. How's your chicken plate?
Not a fan of the chestnuts.
The chestnuts? I ate one and I thought it was, what did I say it was, a banana? Yeah. Nice. Kelsey, how's your pho?
Carpet.
You know,
No, it's just straight up
Did you get the
bacon.
job done?
it's I would say the one in Japan was a lot better than this.
Oh, yeah.
So, I know, it's surprising.
All right, front row on the Incredicoaster. Dylan showed up.
Dylan's here.
He finally came
GTL.
through.
Now we're on the Incredicoaster. 10-minute wait. Walked on, basically. Somehow.
And we're in the front row. Or you guys are. I'm not.
We're in the front row.
I'm not going to film because I don't trust myself holding a camera.
On
the
so
ride.
when it falls, it's our fault.
I didn't bring the chest
He
plate.
asked us to film.
I also don't have a wrist guard
And
either.
then said that he doesn't trust himself to film. So if we dropped it, it would be our fault.
Yep. What the heck? Dude, you can't put it in there. Just put it in the main zipper. Yeah, I tried. No, that's not the main zipper, dude. It's the main zipper. Boo, you stink.
I'm right here.
Guys, we switched to the GoPro.
Oh.
So now all of you are in the screen because of the wide angle. Kelsey wearing Ryan's pants.
They fit like
They don't know Kelsey or Ryan, but we do. Yeah.
Yeah, we do. We know.
Hey, Sickle Bears, baby. What are you
Pink.
repping?
Baby.
The vlog know about that? You might want to fill them in. Nope.
Hey
I do what I want to do with the vlog.
All right, guys. There's a light show on all of these beautiful buildings.
A light
basically,
show.
as my brothers probably talked about, I'm Noah's brother, by the way.
Yeah,
I didn't talk
thing
about
called
anything.
projection mapping, and I think Noah will tell you a little more right now.
Nope.
Okay.
I'm not. Because I'm
Google
just.
it, you guys. Google it.
Google it, yeah,
legit
Google it,
stuff.
yeah.
Google it.
We're going to Space Mountain.
Yeah, we are.
And then we're going to go to Indiana
35-minute
Jones.
wait.
And then we're going to go to Splash Mountain and then hopefully Haunted Mansion afterwards.
And then we'll watch the fireworks show with the projection mapping, which my brother Chase will so humbly explain.
Explain
Spectacular.
Explain projection.
Oh, you want me to explain it?
Yeah.
Well, Noah's talked about it a few times.
The Croc family.
Yeah,
they dressed as Donald. That's awesome.
You didn't even get that.
That's awesome.
When I say this, put glasses over my eyes. Like thug glasses.
Whoa, Star Tours is only a 5-minute wait? There's nobody in there.
Snag a seat on Star Tours, Noah?
Should we go on it?
No.
No? Alright. And then 5 minutes for Astro Blasters too. I'm gonna blast your foot.
Okay.
Oh!
You like that one?
Got him. What is this great establishment of a restaurant right up here?
Well, Pizza Port. By some, it's known as Pizza Port. By others, it's known as Alien Pizza Planet. I'd say it's a mix, it's a fusion, I guess, between a good old take on Italian, yet American, yet... Yeah, it's an
Yeah.
Italo-American fusion, I'd say.
Italo-American. That sounds like
Pizza's thick.
Space Mountain.
Do you want to stop the wet ball?
No. The wet ball. We pulled a switch. The line was too long, so now we're gonna go to Splash Mountain because it's the last time we'll ever be able to ride it at Splash Mountain.
She's gonna ride back row.
I'm gonna
Back
wait.
row.
I'm gonna wait at the exit.
No, you're not. You're gonna ride it. She's gonna ride it. She told me.
You guys want her to ride the back
Comment
row?
below it.
All right, we're gonna comment.
I'll do whatever the
Live
comments
like
say.
Splash. That's what we're gonna
Comment lives a...
That's what Dylan said. Dylan said, comment lives a loser.
do. All right, lives a loser. Hashtag lives a loser. Everyone,
Hashtag-
everyone say it.
Hashtag loving like Larry.
All right, let's do it.
Living like Larry.
Why does this shot look so creepy? We're going on Splash Mountain and it's gonna be cold. It's gonna be really cold and I'm terrified. We're gonna be dripping and shivering and it's gonna be awesome. The last time we'll ever get to ride it before it's the Princess and the Frog. Bummer, but that's okay. Oh gosh, she's wet. She's wet. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, my seat's warm but wet and it's a little uncomfortable. So we're all gonna yell, hey! With our hands up.
No, let the vlog know that I made it on.
She did it.
Guys,
Made it
I'm
on.
on. Hashtag live is cool.
Hashtag, and you can't even see anything in the video. Guys.
Look how dark that is, you can't even see anything.
That's so scary, dude. That's so steep. Let's go, boys!
Dude, we already got wet. These are so wet. Oh no.
She was soaking wet.
I know, dude.
What you doing up there? You're making a fool out of yourself. That's what you're doing. Now get out from there.
You're so friendly.
Dude, my entire feet are wet. My shirt's wet too. I saw the wave come over both you guys, and it just lands on my lap. It goes in your head.
That's just where you going.
Dude, that's gone. Where is it? No! He lost his hat! Oh, wait. Is it on the ground somewhere?
I doubt it.
Is it in your lap or something? Wait. Did it hit you? Is it back there?